Hi there. You're welcome to my bot. I built this bot with Python. It's a bot on Telegram. I'm going to walk you through how to use my bot. So, for example, we're going to say hi, or better still, we can just use a calculator, right? I want to ask it, okay, how big? Yeah, my bot says it's good. You can say ask me more questions like, how are you? Okay, it says it's fine. Are you hungry? Oh, it says it's good. That's fine. Um, say I need help. Okay. Not now. Not now. Okay. Now you can see this response. All right. So let's just move on. So I'm gonna say I need a lawyer. Yes. Okay. All right. But okay. So right now you can see. Um. All right. I need to book a session with my lawyer. All right. Let's see. Move on. All right, let me just start the bot. Thanks a lot. Okay, no, thanks. All right. So let's move on. I need to find out what's your name, my name. What's your name? Oh, really? Okay. Let's see how can I contact you again. All right. Okay, the same way I reached out. Okay, all right. So please book me session. Oh, okay. So let's again, please book me session. All right. So here you have the limit to book a session with a lawyer. All right. So I'm gonna say goodbye. All right. See you later. So that's a bit about the